Hey guys, today's video is going to be my October Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, I will link all of my previous Boxycharm unboxing videos down below. It's a monthly subscription service. I have been with Boxycharm. I've been in a relationship with Boxycharm for 7 years. I always forget, is it 6 or 7? Yeah, 7 years we've been in a relationship, me and Boxycharm. So yes, I do get this box sent to me for free. I've been getting it sent to me for free for 7 years, but I love it. And I'm honest with you guys, if I get something in the box that I don't like, I tell you guys. First thing in the box is from Treluce Beauty, like an artista. Are these brushes? Yes, brushes. This is like an artista brush set, $27. They're probably just eye brushes, I would assume, because it's a tiny little thing. Yes, just some eye brushes. Okay, this is the one thing. Ooh, these are actually really pretty though. Ooh, I like that color. Look at that color. Ooh, I need a nail polish that color. Ooh. Looking, do I have one? Not this like vibrant. I have a million brushes. I really don't need any more brushes, but I don't have any that are this color. Okay, we'll let it slide. We'll let it slide, Boxycharm, but please no more brushes. Okay, next thing in the box is from Appeal. This is the adhesive liquid liner in jet black. Appeal Cosmetics. This is the newest and most innovative way to apply your faux lashes. Step aside tubes of glitter. Glitter? No, glue. This ultra fine liner is easy to apply and a hot way to spice up any eye look. Interesting. Okay, first of all, I don't use the tubes of glue when I apply my false lashes. I mean, I guess you could call it a tube, but it's not like a squeeze tube. It's my Kiss lash glue, and it's got a little brush. I love it. I love it better than the squeezy tube stuff, the Duo lash glue that smells like rotten fish. It's disgusting. Okay, but this is like a black liner. This is an adhesive. It's a liner and an adhesive all in one. Okay, it definitely is sticky. Wow. Wow, I'm gonna have to try this out. It doesn't feel like it's too sticky though. It doesn't feel like it's like sticky enough. I'm intrigued. At first I was like, meh, but now I'm like, hey. Some lashes from Chimera Onigi. Why can't I say that word? I can't pronounce that word for some reason. I don't know. The A word, what? I don't know. We got some false lashes. Oh, wait. Oh, this opens up too. Oh my gosh. Hold on. There's Boxy breaking news. Boxy breaking news. We're going to interrupt this video for some Boxy breaking news. Whoa. There's a drop shop, a mega drop shop, and a Boxy beauty bash. Whoa. Whoa. October 11th. That's tomorrow. Oh, it's just their drop shop. You can get up 70% off retail. These are the Mary Lash. These are $25. It's the most natural lash in the collection, and it's perfect for the woman who wants to keep it real with her beauty. It's a soft and light whisper lash that looks perfect for all eye shapes. Okay, I don't like super natural looking lashes. I like my lashes right now, if they could just look like this every day. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're not, I mean, these aren't that bad. I wouldn't say they're like supernatural. No, these are like a little more, what am I saying? They are sort of dramatic. Like they're longer, like nobody, people like, well, some people do, but like most people don't have lashes that long. So I kind of like them. I'll try them out. They have a thin band. I like thin bands. I'll try them out. My children sound like hyenas right now. Can you hear them? All right. Next we have Tarte. This is the Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. Oh, mama needs an eye cream. Retails for $35. They get a special shot for under your eyes, a vegan skin-loving eye cream that reduces the appearance of puffiness and dark circles for a refreshed, youthful look. I'm excited to try this. Yayos, because my eyes could use some awakening. Okay, all right. I gotta just open it and sniff it, I guess. Maybe. Okay, there we go. Doesn't have a scent. Good, because it's going near my eyes. I don't need something smelly near my eyes. Okay, why am I still smelling it? Last thing in the box is a palette from Ace Beauty, however you pronounce it. It's the Falling For You palette. It retails for $34.99. Oh, look at those fall vibes right there. Like, whoa. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Definitely probably never going to use the bright ass red. That's like a red. It's coming off like kind of orange on camera. But yeah, definitely not going to use the red in this orange right here. But I will use all the other colors. Yes. Okay. My thoughts on this box. I'm actually really excited for this box. This palette, yeah, these colors, like, oh, apple is so pretty. Ooh, spice. Oh, that's darker than I thought it would be. Oh no, but that's pretty. Let's swatch another one. Apple is very, ooh. Oh, that's pretty too. Yes. Okay, I'm excited for this palette. The lashes I will definitely try out. This is their most natural looking lash. They must have pretty dramatic lashes then. I'm gonna have to look at this Chimera. I can't say that word. I don't know why I can't say that word. I'm definitely excited for this Tarte eye cream. I'm gonna use that for sure. I'm very intrigued to try this friggin' adhesive liquid liner. Brushes, I don't need any more brushes, but they're a pretty color, so I'll keep them. But please, Boxycharm, no more brushes, please. Can you do that? I know you can do that if you're like a regular customer. I know you can. I think you can put like in your profile like, oh, I don't want brushes, for example, but I don't know if I can tell them. I mean, I don't want to be greedy because I'm getting this for free, so yeah. What's this? This is a swatch from my hand on my head. Cool. Looks cool, Vanessa. All right, if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will have a link down below. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.